I want to challenge you and full screen this video. Don't do anything else. Watch this video to watch it because I don't want you missing out on this. I feel like it's just so hard nowadays to just focus on one thing. By the time I'm talking right now, a lot of people already scrolled to the comments, checked their phone, thought about something else, got distracted. And it's not even just about videos. It's in everything in life. It's so hard to focus on something without getting distracted with this and that. The pauses in this video are necessary, like this one. This video is necessary because it's necessary to focus, to learn, to do stuff in real life instead of just scrolling all the time. And I'm not saying I'm perfect at this or even great at this, maybe, but the times where I actually don't scroll, just take a minute. Just take a minute to relax, not do anything. They felt so much deeper than doing this all the time. They're really my best moments, and I've been able to get those moments because I've been using what's around me to my advantage. I've been setting plans and having goals on things that I want to do, not being direction directionless. I don't even know how you say that, but just having something to look forward to or something to do and genuinely trying to think deep about those things, that helped me a lot with being able to focus more on important things that really matter and not just some brain rot or scrolling. I know it's super easy to scroll. I know it's everyone else does it. But just think of if you spent a little bit less time scrolling and trying to talk to someone instead in public or trying to work on something else, make some random video or create something. Imagine all the opportunities that will be available just because you decided not to scroll as much as you used to. So really give this a try. Be serious about this. Just think for a second on how much things you can really do if you don't have to scroll. I'm just able to enjoy this nice day before it gets too cold and I can't even go outside anymore or it's too dark already. I'm using what I have to my advantage and it's paying off. It really is. So I really hope you can think about this. I talked about more of ways you can make the most out of your days and other things like in this video. So watch that and hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye. Take care.